I started to create my Curated Life, the brand, and I really wanted to put a heavy focus on helping women. So throughout my corporate career, I've seen how busy mums at work can really struggle to juggle things, and often, it can be a component to stop them sort of stepping up and taking those next career steps. So to be able to help them in their homes and lift some of that burden of home is something that I'm really, really passionate about.
Actually, I love being able to create order and systems and efficiency and calm for women and help them relax and just feel on top of their lives. There's a huge element of lifting the burden of physical clutter from their lives, but actually the mental change that we can make is really quite transformative for them, so that they feel so much lighter and able to achieve the things in life they want. So whether it's career related, it might just be, learning a new hobby, it might just be relaxing on the weekend, and they're not feeling like they're weighed down with a million things to do.